So you're gonna fill this information for your parents, children, spouse, sibling. So Ilana has to do this. Okay. So I'll click on edit. So this form is filled up by Ilana. Okay. Relationship, Ilana Smith, country or territory of birth. Okay. Just I want to show you one thing. I'll come back. Oh yeah, one thing. Because a lot of you have this question that is in IMM 5406, the names that they have asked to write in English and in native language. So how are you gonna do it? When it was on PDF, it was very simple, right? I have explained that in other videos, so I will don't have to do that. But when you're applying digitally here, how will you write in your native language? Like let's say Elana is gonna write in Hindi. How is she gonna do? That I will show you. So this section is already picked up. Okay. And I cannot change this, so that's okay. Country or territory of birth, I select India. Marital status, I select married. Email, uh, I'm just doing sample, but you provide proper. I just copy this. Provide address, okay. Maximum give town, city, country, territories, full information. 80 characters should be enough. Relationship, spouse, common law partner. So for that, it's gonna be John Smith. Okay. Now, how will you put that name in the native language? So that I'll tell you. Go to Google, whatever is your language. I'm just going for search for English to Hindi. Okay. So I'll just type here John Smith. Okay. I'm gonna copy it. I think this is select copy. Perfect. And I'm gonna put this name here. Date of birth. Let's assume John was also born on the same day. Country or territory of birth. Uh, India. Marital status. Married. Email. Provide address. So Canadian address. I'm just doing this, but you provide full information. Mother. So this is Ilana's mother. Okay. So I'm just putting Nancy Smith. Just sample. Smith. Date of birth. Let's say she was born in 1978. And 10. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the name, get the name here again, and Nancy Smith, and I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna come here. Okay, country or territory of birth. She was born in India too. Marital status, she's married. Email, provide proper. Okay, don't do this. Address, father. Let's say her father name is Peter Smith. Date of birth. I'm just putting date of birth. Let's say 19. Oh, 1975. And then country or territory of birth, let's say India in both. Marital status, married. Address below. If deceased, give city or town, country or territory and date. So you need to do accordingly. Okay, I'm just doing this sample, but you do properly. Continue. Now child. So let's say she doesn't have any children to provide that information. So uh, okay, all name. Okay, same thing they have given. So if a section does not apply, write not applicable. So I'll just say not applicable. Okay, if like she doesn't have children. Next, siblings. So again, like if you have, provide that information. If you don't have, just write not applicable. And I've already shown you how you can do it for your, um, I mean, um, how you can all you can do it for non-English. Okay, so Google is very helpful in that. Okay, all right.